Dude, what's up with your AC?
When QuietCool Home Services came through and replaced the old one, I got a whole house fan for free on top of it. It's so good at keeping my house cooler for longer that I only have to run my AC like half the time.
Really? It's that effective?
Yeah, my AC's pretty much been on vacation ever since.
Huh. Cool.
Choosing QuietCool Home Services for your AC replacement means you also get our industry-leading whole house fan as part of the package. As an added bonus, we'll replace your AC vents with our premium linear slot diffusers, meant to deliver both style and performance. That's up to a $3,500 value for free. Our cooling and ventilation package beats any price, anytime. Don't get a hack, get an HVAC from QuietCool Home Services.